is up, guys? It's your boy Heynelm back here with another one of my videos. You guys see by the title and the thumbnail, we have the ultra-wide monitor LG 29WM600 monitor. It's a 29-inch monitor, and yeah, we're gonna unbox it, guys. It says it has HDR. Let's do a little box inspection, but it has a little dent right here. It's looking good on this side. All right, let's do it. Let's open this bad boy up. All right, guys, so a bit more about this monitor. This is the LG 29WN600 model 29-inch monitor. Panel depth of 8-bit, guys. It has 99% RGB. It also has HDR10. It is also a 75 Hz monitor. It has a 100mm bolt mount for a base if you guys don't want to use the base it brings and you want to mount it to the wall. This monitor also has 2 built-in speakers. It also brings 2 HDMI 2.0 ports. It brings 1 display port, and it brings a 35mm audio out. Features that this monitor has: it has AMD FreeSync technology, it has black stabilizer for those who like gaming, dynamic action sync, flicker-free technology, picture-in-picture, radar mode, screen split 2.0, smart energy saving, and super resolution plus. Here it is, guys. Okay, I'm starting to see some stuff. Alright, so right here we have the mount, legs, we have the back arm thing for the leg, connects the end to go connected to the monitor, the cap to cover up everything nicely. This right here, this is power. This is the power adapter, and this is the power cable. We also get an HDMI cable, 2 screws. We also get a CD, an owner's manual CD. Yes, this is all we got. Calibration, blah blah blah. Guys, here it is. So pretty much I went with this monitor because it was ultra wide, and it's what fit my budget. Pretty good price, and I've seen a lot of good reviews on it. I was going for either this or a 4K monitor, and I found 2 monitors that were around the same price. It was this one, and I think it was the Philips something. I'll leave it right here so you guys know which one it is, which was 4K but wasn't ultra wide. And then I started looking into YouTube videos and stuff, what was gonna fit me best, and I went with the ultra wide because they said once you go ultra wide you can never go back. 4K, I mean, it is what it is, you know, guys. Let's take it out. This right here is the monitor. I just took out the top piece off and left this at the bottom so I protect the screen, even though my sheets are soft, but I still want to protect it even more. The only bad thing about this monitor, and I should have looked more close into this, is that it does not have a USB port. The monitor does not have any USB ports, which is a bummer, but get what you pay for. It's got the little matte black finish, guys. So we're gonna install the mount right here, the leg. Alright, guys, so now we're gonna install the leg. It pretty much goes hand screw right there. It goes screwed to the bottom. So yeah, let's get it. I actually have to clean up my desk. I have a bunch of batteries and stuff. So yeah, I'll be right back with you guys. Here is the monitor. It is a little tight. I might need to do some adjustments. I think this is how I'm gonna have it for now. I am gonna have to do a lot of cable managing. This is my little tray down here that I have for cable managing and stuff. I'm not 100% sure how this setup is gonna go, but I'm just gonna try to get it together and just see how it comes out. So yeah, guys, this is pretty much it right here. I have a mess right here that I have to manage, but that's for my next video, which I'm going to be showing you guys. I've been trying to like match the colors with the laptop, and I got it as close as possible, but pretty much comes ready to go straight out of the box. Alright, guys, so I've been using this monitor for like the past 5 hours. I gotta tell you guys, I am impressed. It's pretty good. It's not bad. It's pretty bright. I highly recommend this monitor if you're looking for just a regular monitor and you're not trying to break your bank. But yeah, guys, stay tuned for the next video. I'm gonna be showing you my whole desktop setup. I have a bunch of new things and I'm gonna remake everything, so stay tuned for the next video. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe if you haven't done that yet. Follow me on my social medias. I'll leave them right here down below. Peace, guys.